Okay, this episode of Little Car Garage. I'm gonna dedicate this to Tim 82 GT because he spotted a little 92 Mustang. I want to know if I did any wheel swaps on them. So I'm gonna do one tonight. Little Hot Wheels racing special, little Mustang there. I think that's a Fox body, isn't it? I don't know. I'm not into that Fox body stuff. But anyway, these have been pre-drilled, and I'm gonna use as a donor a Larry's Garage, what was that, a 33 Roadster, as the donor car. So let's get started. Pre-drilled, already pre-ground, save a whole mess of time. Take the Mustang apart. Now would be a good time to take that white interior and paint it, but still don't have my paint booth ready. Alright, here we go. Now I put all my tools away, so I can't find a cotton picking thing. Here we go. I'm gonna cut the wheels out of this one. Notice I'm never ready. Sort of a spur of the moment thing. Let's do a video. Okay, so we won't be interrupted by commercials anymore. That's right. I've got my own music. 33. Now this one here has got extra long axles, so I think we're going to have to make some new axles. But these are real riders. Rubber tires. Very cool. Okay. Now I'm not going to scrap this one because I'm going to redo that one at some point. So that'll go over here to the little car shop. In the Mustang. Yeah, axle's way too long. So we're going to make some make an axle. And as usual, I'm not ready. It's Thanksgiving weekend, by the way, so hope you guys are having a good turkey day. I just finished mine. It's pretty darn good. Okay. Get my hammer. Can't find anything now. This place is all cleaned up. So we'll go ahead and cut the axle. And cut the front axle. There you go. Save these little pieces for future projects. They do come in handy. Okay, there we are. And we'll take and pin the end. Like that. Slip it on there like that. Okay. First, we'll stick the tire on there like that. There you go, that's better. Alrighty. Trim it. And we'll smush the end of that. Oops. I dropped it. Well, I didn't do a very good job with that one. There we go. Alright, will it fit? That looks pretty darn good. Okay, let's make the front axle. Give it a smush. See that? You can see the, I don't know if you can see the smushed into that there. See how it's mushroomed out? That's what you're looking for. That way wheel won't slide off. Front wheel there. Front wheel there. Lay it across the front. Trim Rooney. Okay. And smash it. That one didn't come out very good at all. Okay. It's pretty good. Okay, we'll trim the excess. Trim the excess. Okay. Just like that. And we'll take our marker and black out the end there so you won't see it. You'll see the shiny brass piece. Alrighty. There. Okay. Front wheels. Back wheels. Does it fit in there? Okay. Interior. And the winder. Whoop. And the winder. There you go, man. Tim 82 GT. That's awesome right there. Let's put some screws in her. It's amazing what you can do with a wheel swap. It just makes the whole car look much better. Very cool. Now, what did I do with my screws? I put everything away nice and neat, and misplaced my screws. I think I spotted them. Right over here. Alright, where's my tool? Look at that, man. It doesn't look like it's been messed with. It looks factory. It's factory. There you go. That was pretty nice. Okay, road test time. Road test time. Look at that. She's a roller. She's a roller. There you go, Tim 82 GT. It's another one from the Little Car Garage. Bye-bye now.